Where instead of
The
that,
surprise.
we'll have
Unique idea, because like instead of
something
like
like
once we got a robot into a position where the like let's say this is the pendulum thing, we don't have to like position the robot and constantly move and like move around things. We can adjust this, and we can adjust like if it's too close, like or whatever, too far away from him when we're positioning, we can like move it forward and stuff too.
Yeah, because the wheels are going to be the harder one.
Alright, so should I scrap my plans and start helping you guys?
I don't know.
metal.
If that's
No,
a good
let's
idea.
scrap
Everyone agrees
We
on
can
it.
start building
Are you
something
videotaping this?
without
Of course.
destroying these.
Great.
Alright.
So now there's
Well,
going to be a
in
bunch
case
of
it doesn't
recording
work.
of me.
We have to figure out some way to
Rumbling
function.
air camera.
Where's my little...
Well, the rotating shouldn't be the hard part. The hard part's going to be having an attachment that stays
So you put it in
here
my head.
while having something else that can sweep them in.
Or
So, sorry, actually.
like, because we can still kind of
Say
have
this
like
is a flat piece of metal and this is a flat piece. Here's like the thing coming down from the extending arm. And then a motor here that would then like grip the box or something, I don't know.
Alright, so basically what I'm getting from you is so basically you'd have a motor here. You'd attach it somewhere in here wherever you go. So basically, match starts, it's right here.
Yeah.
And, you know, once you go down, you can extend it downwards, you'd have something.
Yeah, and so then it has like a jaw thing.
You'd
here.
have something
I
along
watched
this
you with the
line,
back guys.
You did?
handing down,
like with something here.
Get a
whatever.
photo of this.
and then this
Could
will extend.
Try and leave out the
forward,
faces.
And we could pick up something and such or
And
whatever.
then
Well,
go
but then-
back in.
But then we couldn't get this high enough.
What do you mean?
and then,
But because this also has to be able to move to the 18 inches.
We are the 18 inches.
Yeah, so then we can do this, and then it can extend out. To
yeah,
Oh,
get
so
to the
have
boxes.
something that's on
On like this
the,
part
the,
would have
the
that.
secondary stationary on this, and then the sweeper on this.
Like I don't know. Like I don't know how much we need the speaker because we could just push it up against a wall or something. Which is kind of sketchy.
no,
you
we
know.
need.
That's really relying on the walls because what if
Yeah,
Wall
it's,
breaks.
we'd
Well,
also
what if-
have to get to the walls in order to do that.
Through the wall.
Wait, how many points, like, how much deduction is it if you